Bill Henshaw here again with more news you may have seen recently on the internet, and this is again about the Eric Garner case. I've talked about this before, but 5 years later, the bastard cop that strangled him to death just got fired from his job. 5 years this took. Now, the article I read didn't say, and I'll update you on this, but whether the bastard's going to get his retirement pension or what have you, which shouldn't be the case. And this is a classic example of why we need a Republican form of government with independent oversight by citizen committees, especially over law enforcement and the DA. Because what should have happened here is this cop should have been suspended immediately, an investigation done, and he should have lost his job, as far as I'm concerned, within 30 days, and had been subsequently indicted for the second-degree murder that he actually committed. And if he had been fired that quickly, by the way, the retirement and benefits go with it. Sorry about that. If you're going to go that far outside the law, you have no possible claim to any benefits that might otherwise have accrued. So we'll see about that part later. But the plain fact of the matter is we need a big improvement in this entire area of review of these law enforcement thugs. I mean, you think they can just do anything and get away with it, and there's not a damn thing we can do. And that's a theme prevalent, by the way, throughout this whole government. As I've discussed often, they think they can just do it. And, we have lynch mob rule here. There's no Department of Government you can appeal to fix things, and that's the way it is. In other words, the government is saying that we have no rights that they are bound to respect. Might as well go back to the days of Dred Scott, although, as I said earlier, what Tony said about that he said it, but he didn't say it in the context that people want you to understand. But it's certainly true now. There's no rights. The only rights we have, quote unquote, come under the 14th Amendment, which I can prove doesn't exist. And that's especially true about the right to effective assistance of counsel. That's the only thing they care about, and yet we don't have any right to that. And that's jurisdictional. It takes their jurisdiction away, as you'll learn by acquiring my constitutional defense document packets. Send me an email at unincourt@gmail.com about that. Remember to like my videos, tell your friends, and subscribe. Thank you.